na ang maging star witness.
Mr. Chair, if I may interrupt our resource person, I wish to believe that you are not yet a witness, much less a state witness. And that reminds me as well of paragraph 33 of your affidavit. Who gave you the idea about state witness?
Bali, ano po, ito po ay sinubukan po namin sapagkat kami po ang
Please respond to the question, Mr. Diskaya.
Ano po, tinanong ko rin po sa mga lawyers din po namin.
What do you understand about becoming a state witness? Who decides for you to become a state witness?
Ang ano po, presidente po at saka yung Senate po.
I don't
DOJ,
think so,
DOJ
Mr.
po.
Diskaya. Becoming a state witness is a decision that comes from the court and not from you. And there are requirements that we have to consider. If I may share this to the public, under the rules of court, to become a state witness, number one, the testimony must be, there must be an absolute necessity for the testimony. Number two, it can be corroborated. Number three, no other direct evidence. Number four, no previous conviction. And number five, the accused must appear as not the most guilty. Do you think with these requirements, the court will approve your application to become a state witness?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Do you appear as not most guilty?
Yes po, Your Honor.
But you have to realize nonetheless, Mr. Diskaya, it is not you who decide. It is the court who decides whether you will be admitted or not as a state witness. And if you are not admitted as state witness, definitely then you will be one of the co-accused. And with your admission that you made already in the Senate and before this committee, I think the offense of plunder is already established. That is why I wish to go back to the question. What made you decide to execute this affidavit, considering the very complicated consequences of your admission?
Your Honor, I ask my counsel muna.
Yes, please.
Your Honor, nasabi ko na po yung mensahe ng sinabi ko po kanina. Kung ako po ay inyong parurusahan po sa ginawa kong ito at ako po ay papagalitan po ninyo, wala na pong iba pang sisigaw ng mga kontraktor sa buong Pilipinas. Dahil una matatakot na sila kung ano po ang mangyayari sa akin. Kasi ang mangyayari po, parang nagbibigay po tayo ng hudyat sa iba't ibang pang mga kontraktor na, hoy, tinaw nyo, ang nangyayari kay Curly at saka kay Sarah, tutulad ba kayo dyan para mag-star witness? Hindi na sila sisigaw, parang nagbibigay po tayo ng anyaya sa lahat ng mga tao na ang maging star witness.
Mr. Chair, if I may interrupt our resource person, I wish to believe that you are not yet a witness, much less a state witness.
Sino po ang nagsabi sa inyo na humingi muna kayo ng executive session? It could not be your own idea. Kasi nga sabi mo, hindi mo naman naiintindihan.
Wala po, Your Honor. Minsan naririnig ko lang po sa ibang mga napapanood ko sa YouTube, yung mga ganong klase ng
naiintindihan mo kung anong ibig sabihin ng executive session? Kasi kung hindi mo naiintindihan yon, bakit mo babanggitin yon?
Your Honor, pasensya na po kayo sa kanina na isagot ko. Pero ang sagot ko po ay ito na po lahat.